My name is Roberta Lopez Suter, and I'm the Director of Marketing and Communications at Trico Electric. Trico is an electric cooperative located in Marana, Arizona, and we service about 40,000 members that surround the Tucson area. And we formed in 1945, and we have about 135 employees, from our office staff to our folks that go out and read meters and work out in the field. Trico partners with CS Design Studios on a lot of different projects, both in our marketing department and our IT division. They help us with marketing our utility to all of our members, and they also provide a multitude of IT services for us.
My name is Robert Duke. I'm in Trico's IT department. I have been working in that department for 7 years. CS Design Studios has helped us quite a bit with small things like adding content to the website when our communications department's not available. They've helped us with big things like total revamps of the website on more than one occasion. CS Design Studios at first gave us the recommendation of an open source security software, and we implemented it. As we've moved over to a hosted solution on CS Design's recommendation, they are now also providing that security.
Web security is very important to our members. Trico has one of the most secure websites. Surveys have been done and we received an A+ grade. One of the only ones that we know of in southern Arizona when they compared other utilities and other government offices. So it's super important because we have our members, addresses, phone numbers, social security numbers, all their private information that they don't want to get out. One of the things that I find really refreshing working with CS Design Studios is that they aren't your typical IT guys. I never feel like I have like a dumb question to ask them. They are very helpful, and they really, you feel like you're partnering with them. You don't feel, you feel like, I guess, more than a customer. I feel like they're kind of like a friend even, that you can call up and say, hey, I've got this idea, or I've got this problem, and they'll answer and help you out right away.
I absolutely would recommend CS Design Studios to other companies for many reasons. I've been in meetings with them with people who do not have a very high level of knowledge with IT, and so they're able to take these complex pieces of information and get them across to people who don't know anything about that side. They're also able to attend meetings with people who do have that high level knowledge, and they converse on the same level as us. So they've been instrumental in getting the communication across the multiple departments that we work with. Their implementation, if you don't want to deal with your website at all, they are there from an A to Z service. If you want to have a heavy hand in your website implementation, they can still find a solution for you. So I've recommended them to a few people already.
I would definitely recommend CS Design Studios to any other companies or friends that I know that are looking for this type of service. They're great to work with. They're easy to work with. They know their stuff. And they've definitely helped Trico Electric through the years to grow as we are growing and will continue to grow. We have a real partnership with them, and they're great to work with.